I'm excited for today. Today is mount the rear diffuser day. Just winding down for the day here, and then get a coffee and get that all done. And yeah, I'll post some shit as we go along. Serbian power. Tint King gets his sorry ass here. Today is the tint and vinyl wrap on the C7. I'll flip this thing around and show you guys that. I did manage to get the diffuser installed today. Did the lowering, not that it's a big deal. Everybody with the C7 knows how to do that. But yeah, here, I'll show you here. Black vinyl there, black vinyl on the roof, standard tint on the side, standard tint here, and you know what, a standard on the roof these days anyway, everybody does that. But yeah, we got to drop down a bit there, and see the diffuser installed back there. Yeah, so waiting for the spoiler too. I did order a chassis mount for it, and I did order the stage 2. I'm just not sure what I'm doing with the stage 2 now that I ordered a chassis mount, but moving along. That's right. What is up, everyone? So, hey, we jumped like almost 100 subscribers in a week, which means I'm actually beating my kid in subscribers. It's pretty rad. Okay, so today, according to my tracking number, my stage 2 spoiler for my Z06 should be here from VicRes. Only took them 4 weeks to ship it, but whatever. It's supposed to be here. I'm gonna mount it, but I also have a chassis mount coming yet. So I'm just not sure if I'm gonna run one. Some guys run both. I don't know. But first, I'm Canadian, Tim Hortons. Hi, can I get a large double-double? And I'll get a farmer wrap, bacon, and I'll make it a meal. Yeah. Nope. Great, thanks. Tim Hortons is always priority when you're Canadian, and it's -20 plus the wind chill on like the 4th of April. It's crazy. That's a good start right there. I guess first impression is it's packed very, very, very well. Carbon flash looks great. This is the stage 2.5 is what VicRes calls it. I'll get it on the car, I guess, see how fitment is here. Well, that's a wrap on that one, boys. Give me a smash on that subscribe button because I want to be as famous as my YouTube kid, I guess, and be one of the cool guys. Give it a like on the video. Don't smash the not like. You know you loved it. Don't bullshit me. 650 ball beavers that car is making out there. It's going to be more. You're going to want to follow it. It's going to be some donuts and burnouts when this shit outside melts. If they don't find you handsome, they better find you handy. Little red green there.